In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Zoom Rooms controller app. So first of all, launch open Zoom Rooms controller application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either sign in with email, SSO, Google or Facebook. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to sign in with email. For that, tap on this option, sign in with email. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enter your email and password over here. So what you have to do is simply provide the email and password. Once you do that, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here one time passcode will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is open the Gmail. Here my Gmail has been opened. Zoom has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to see the OTP. Memorize this OTP or you can also copy it. Now go back to the Zoom Rooms controller app again. Now what you have to do is enter the OTP over here. Wait for a while. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Zoom Rooms controller app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.